Then go on live. There we go. Hey, Girl Scouts. This is Anitra Bates. I am Community Development Manager for the North Toledo region. Today, we are here, and this is...
Hi, I'm Autumn Bates. I'm a Girl Scout senior. I'm in 9th grade, and I go to Central Catholic High School.
So she's joining me to help be my extra hands as we start our Brownie Snacks Badge. So we're going to give you guys a little bit more time to get on so our friends can join us. And while we wait, why don't you tell us where you're at? We're in, like I said, we're in Toledo, Ohio, in our living room. And why don't you comment down and let us know where you're coming from, where you are watching from today. So we'll give you guys a few more minutes to join in and let us know where you are joining us at from today. Autumn, are you gonna comment and read some of the comments so you can let the other people know where they're watching from? I see Stacy is from
Troop 31158 in Clarence, New York.
Wow, we have someone from New York. See, aren't you glad you ironed your shirt today?
Anna, she's 7, is a Brownie in Buffalo, New York.
Wow. We also have a friend from Cincinnati, Troop 4226 from Cincinnati. Welcome. We're so happy to have you here in our living room today. We'll give friends a few more minutes to hop on. We have someone from West Virginia, Sarah Golden. She said she's next door in West Virginia. So give you guys about another minute to hop on and let us know where you are joining us from. I'm sorry if you hear construction. We're having our street done, so it's a little loud. I apologize. All right, so we're going to get started. Today we're going to work on our Brownie Snack Badge. That's badge. We're going to do part 1 and 2 today, and then we'll give you tips on how to complete number 3. Okay? So my favorite bug, I'm not a big insect bug type person, but it's the butterfly. So today we are going to create a butterfly snack where you can take it with you and leave little messages on the butterfly. So we're going to do that today, and we'll ask you in the end of the video to post a picture of your butterfly once you are done with it. Okay? So like I said, my favorite, we're making the butterfly snack. So my favorite insect is a butterfly. And Autumn, are you going to tell us what yours is?
My favorite, I like them all. I like bugs. I enjoy playing with bugs outside.
Like Autumn once ate a bug, like crazy. She loves bugs. She's a big camper, so she loves bugs, but I'm a one that really does not like bugs. But I do like butterflies, so that's why I picked this activity to do, because it's super fun and you learn a little bit about different types of snacks that you can use and take with you. So like I said, we're going to do the butterfly. You want to show us?
Yeah. This is the idea of what we're making. It's a butterfly with the snack on this side and the healthy fruit on the other side.
Okay, so comment down below, what is your favorite snacks? Like, what type of snacks do you like to eat? Are they sweet snacks? Are they fruits? Are they vegetables? My favorite snack is a savory snack. I love the crunchy, salty type of snack. So I'm a Cheez Its, goldfish, maybe Funyuns type of girl. What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yes.
Yeah. We like strawberry. We eat a lot of fruits and vegetables here. So comment down below what your favorite snack that you like to eat. What is it? Is it a savory snack like Cheetos or
fruit.
Cheez Its, or is it fruits
Or
like strawberries and apples? So let us know in the comments what your favorite snack is. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our butterfly snack. So, Autumn, you want to tell us a little bit about the snack?
In the snack, in your snack, there's fat and carbohydrates and fiber. And if you look on the side of the snack, you see there's a list of all what's in it. And like in the goldfish, there's total carbohydrates is 19 grams.
So on each of your chips or maybe your drinks, you'll see food labels. So food labels are super, super important to read when you are eating a snack because you want snacks to have like a lot of vitamins, a lot of fat. So not a whole lot of fat, but just a little bit just to give you energy. Your snack should give you energy. That's why we're creating this snack. So we're gonna have some pretzels. Autumn, you're gonna add the pretzels to the bowl. And I'm gonna add some goldfish. So we'll pour it in.
A lot of sodium in here too.
Yeah, you can see it sitting at the bottom. Autumn, you want to put the raisins in there?
It has fat in it, right?
Fiber. Not fat. Fiber. F, it's just wrong one. Yeah, they kind of get sticky. You might have to use your finger. Okay, so while Autumn is adding the raisins,
this is what it looks like so far.
So it's like a trail mix. You're creating your own
trail mix.
Yeah. So we have a sandwich bag, a Ziploc sandwich bag, and we're going to add a half a cup.
Wait.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, shake it. Okay, we're gonna add a half a cup to our dry snack. So that's the goldfish,
raisins, and the pretzels.
Okay, you add yours. And we have our fruit, and these are red grapes. Autumn likes red grapes, and I like red grapes, so I chose this. But what's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Okay, so we're going to add like 5 or 6 grapes to the other side of our bag. So we're gonna like put our hands here
and like pinch it.
Like split your bag in half. So it'll look like this. And we're gonna add like 5 grapes to each side. If you have a larger bag, you can add a few more.
Split it, 6 on this side, and your dry snack is on this side.
Right. I'm sorry. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and seal my bag.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
Make sure you have air in your bag.
Yeah, you don't want the air to get in. It'll be hard to split. So now your bag will look like triangles. So 2 triangles on each side.
It's so cute.
Yeah. So it's coming on. It's starting to shape into a butterfly.
It's like you're eating a butterfly.
All right. So this is a clothespin. So you're going to take a clothespin and just clip it in the middle. So it'll look like this. You might have to fluff it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
All right. So now that we have our savory snack and our fruit in our bag, we're going to start to create the body of the butterfly because we always want to make it cute. Because we can do what with this snack, Autumn? What can we do?
We can actually make this snack for others, not just yourselves. You can make this for your team. Say if you play basketball or you cheer or golf or something. You can make it for your teammates and it gives them energy. You can put notes on them and tell them good luck. You can give this to your mail carrier, your grandparent, your aunt, anyone you desire.
So Autumn and I recently, because of social distancing, we wanted, and workers that are essential, that means workers that work during our time of quarantine, we just put a little note on our for our mail carrier and said thank you for your service. So you can add this to your mailbox and say leave a little note. This is a daisy, and it says thanks for your service. Or you can send it to someone else. Who could you send it?
Like I'll probably put this on your bed in the morning and tell you I miss you.
Or you can send it to grandma and say happy quarantine snack. Like this, or you can send it to like your friends that you play with that you can't see as much. Maybe they live in a different block. You can take a walk and get some exercise and say, "Hey, I miss you."
Don't forget your mask.
Oh yeah, you must wear your mask. Okay, all right. So this is how we make the body. Now we are going to add Autumn. Are you going to draw your eyes or?
I think I'm going to draw my eyes.
Okay, so since Autumn is going to draw her eyes, I'm going to add some googly eyes. You probably can't see them. And you can do however you want it. I'm just going to add some glue to my butterfly body. And then I'm just going to add some googly eyes on there. Stick them on there.
So I'm going to use marker and draw them on. Well, this is a Sharpie. Or you can use marker. Maybe a crayon would.
Yeah, you can color
maybe
it in.
It would. Comment your favorite color. So I'm just going to do little dots and maybe put some eyelashes on there.
Oh, that'll be cute. You can be as creative as you like. All right, can you hand me a marker? Now, I'm going to put a face on it. I'm going to draw a smiley face.
And then dimple.
And then we can add, like, you can color the body. You can add maybe a heart to it.
Some squiggly lines.
And then on the back, you can leave like a note, like I put on my I love Girl Scouts on the back, or I heart Girl Scouts.
Or if you're giving it to somebody, you can write like a note on the back. Like say if you're giving it to your grandmother, you can put I love you.
Oh, that'd be cute. I love you. So you can design it any way you like. And you can also, if you're feeling super creative, you can add little stickers to it, to its body, like a sunshine or maybe a star. And you can add some stars. I have a caterpillar sticker.
This is what mine looks like. I do the eyes. I put a smiley face and I put squiggly lines and polka dots. I don't know if you can see it. Squiggly lines, a polka dot, and some hearts onto my snack. And on the back, I decided I will give this to somebody, and I put I love you with the heart.
Oh, cool. And I just added a few stickers to mine just to make it a little creative and make it fun. So like Autumn said, you can give these snacks. This is a snack that's going to give you energy. So you can add this to your lunchbox. You can maybe send it to school for a snack. Especially Autumn had a great idea about when you start school. Kindergartner starting school.
Kindergartner starting school. The mothers, or you can make it with your child and put it in their lunchbox, or take it to their kid can take it to the snack time.
Yeah, you can have it for snack time. How cool would this be if you had the little googly eyes on there and you opened up your snack and ate this at snack time?
It would be so cool.
Yeah, it would be super cool.
Then the kids will want some. Then you can make some more.
Okay, so now we have to add my favorite parts of the butterfly is the
antlers. The ears.
The ears. antenna. And I'm going to use, what color are you going to use? I'm going to go
Blue.
with blue. You're going to go with blue again. I'm going to go with, I'm going to go with red. So you want to.
So these are just like twisty ties. They're very flexible and bendable.
Right. So this is what we can use. You don't need the whole long piece of
cut it in half.
pipe cleaner. This is pipe cleaner. Yeah. We have different colors. You can use whatever color you like. And Autumn's gonna cut hers in half. And then thank you for being safe. And then we're going to just start rolling our antennas in like a pinwheel. So you just start rolling them in, making a little circle about halfway in.
Do it on both sides.
Yep, both sides.
Voila.
All right. Now she has her antennas on. Like you can possibly put two, like maybe you want a long one and a short one, or you want two different colors. I know. So you can be as creative as you want with your butterfly snack. Okay, so now that we have our butterfly all designed with the antennas on and the googly eyes and the stickers.
So cute. I don't even want to eat it.
Make sure if you made one along with Autumn and I that you take a picture of it and post it in the comments. And we will read the comments and try to answer any questions that you might have. I know when we do this with different Girl Scouts, what we usually do is we make them and we swap them with a friend. So if you make one, you swap it with a friend. So maybe you and a friend, like, oh. So
your googly eyes are cute.
Yeah, so you can swap yours. If you make it with your mom, maybe you can swap it with hers. So you can have a snack that your friend made, okay? All right, so make sure you post and comment down below your pictures of your butterfly. And if you have any questions about your favorite snacks, maybe you worried about snacks having too much fat in it, you can always add more raisins to it for more fiber. Or you can
put both fruit on both sides. Like you want grapes on this side, or you can put oranges on this side.
Yeah. So you don't have to always. You can do it however you want. You don't have to do it exactly like we did it. But remember, snacks give you energy, and you need energy, especially if you're out running and playing with your friends. You need to have energy. You have to fuel your body. Okay. So this is our butterfly vitamin, carbohydrates, fat, fiber snack. So if you want to complete part 3 of this badge, you can make something like bread, and you could possibly bake some cookies with maybe your mom or grandma, and that will help you complete the 3rd part. So today we did part 1 and 2 of the snack bag. We talked about food labels. These are very important to know about. You have food labels on the side, and it's on everything we eat and drink. So make sure you read those with a parent, and then that's completing your part 1 and part 2. This is the healthy snack. And then if you want to complete part 3 of the batch, what you can do is bake a healthy or maybe you want bread. You can make some wheat bread. Maybe your mom and grandma can help you do that. Or cookies. Cookies are our favorite. So you can make cookies with a friend and package them up like this and send them to someone.
Yeah.
That sounds good?
Yeah.
Join us tomorrow for another Facebook Live. Like our page so you can be notified when more videos are posted. And we'd love to have you join and earn more badges with us. So make sure you tune in tomorrow at 2:00 again for another badge opportunity. Okay? Until next time, see you guys. I'm Anitra, and this is Autumn. And we enjoy spending time with you today. Make sure you comment and post your butterfly snacks so we can see them. All right, thank you. Bye, Girl Scouts.